Listen carefully. If your finances feel heavy, that's not bad luck. That's lack of structure. You don't need 12 months. You don't need a new job. You don't need motivation. You need 3 days of discipline. 3 days that change your direction. Because direction compounds. Day 1. Face the truth, no more guessing. Open your bank app. Open your credit cards. Open your loans. Look at the last 30 days. Yes, it's uncomfortable. Good. Most people avoid their numbers. And then wonder why they're stressed. Write this down tonight. Monthly income. Monthly spending. Total debt. Interest rates if you don't know your numbers. You don't control your life. Clarity is power. Tomorrow, we take it back. Day 2. Cut the weakness. You are not broke. You are leaking. Subscriptions. Upgrades. Convenience. Impulse. Cut 1 subscription. Downgrade 1 expense. Eliminate 1 automatic payment. Free up $300 a month. That's $3,600 a year. Invested over time? That's 6 figures. Small discipline. Massive leverage. And if you have high interest debt? Destroy it. If your credit card charges 20% interest, paying it off is a guaranteed 20% return. Nothing beats that. Debt isn't just financial weight. It's mental weakness. Tomorrow, we build power. Day 3. Automate your freedom. This is where winners separate. Open an investment account. Set automatic investing. Even $100 per week. Because motivation fades. Systems don't. $400 a month at 8% for 30 years? Nearly $600,000. That's not hype. That's math. Then lock in this rule for life. Every raise gets split. 50% invested. 30% lifestyle. 20% savings. You enjoy life. But you build leverage. Most people upgrade their lifestyle. You upgrade your future. In 3 days you just faced reality. Stopped the bleeding. Built momentum. You didn't change your salary. You changed your trajectory. And trajectory decides everything. 10 years from now, you will either thank yourself or wish you started today. So choose. Comment, reset, if you're serious. Because wealth doesn't reward emotion. It rewards structure. Now move.